everyone, welcome to my channel. Collage art is the combination of materials in decorative ways. It's very good background idea for presenting your character art. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create simple handcraft style material for your collage art, which are paper cut, paper tearing, decoration tapes, and ink stamping. Let's start by downloading the material from CLIPSTUDIO asset. In the CLIPSTUDIO start page, go to the menu icon and search for materials. It will open the CLIPSTUDIO asset. In the search box, you can set the filter for the more specific result. I recommend applying this filter, image material for the collage asset, and gradient set for the recolor process. If you don't have gold or clippy, you can also filter only free material by this filter. Type the keyword and find the material you want. It's very comfortable. You can find the download material in the material library panel. Leaving some white edge to the art will simply create the paper looks. If the paper edge is smooth, it will look more like a machine cut sticker. Create a new canvas. Set the paper color to any color except white. It will be easier to work with the paper edge. Import the artwork. Go to File, Import. Create File Object. I recommend importing the artwork as a file object. With the object tool, it's easy to move and edit without touching its detail. In the Tool Property panel, you can open the original file with this menu. Delete the paper layer to make a transparent background. When you save the original file, the imported object will be automatically updated. If it's not automatically updated, you can click on this icon. To add the edge like it's cut from the sticker machine, you can simply apply border effect on the layer by the effect option on the layer property panel. For the paper cut edge, create a new layer under the file object layer. When we create a new canvas, it already comes with a new blank layer. You can use it too, just make sure it's under the file object layer. Go to the Figure subtool, select the polyline, and set the line fill option to create fill. Pick white color. Draw the paper cut area roughly around the artwork. It will create the paper cut edge very easy. Put the artwork and the paper cut layer into a folder. You can move them together with the Move tool. To make it look more like a paper cut piece, here is the auto action I've made for my old tutorial. Drag it to the auto action panel. To use this auto action, collapse the layer folder. Select the auto action and click on the play button. Paper tearing create a handcraft feel to the collage art. I've made tearing paper brush for this tutorial. You can download it from CLIPSTUDIO asset. To install the brush, just drag it to the subtool panel. Here, I set it to black and white, so there is a little gray shadow on one edge. Create a new raster layer and draw a line for the paper. Add a new layer under. Use the magic wand tool, refer to all layers. Set the area scaling to some small value. Then select on the canvas. I've downloaded the seamless pattern for the paper. Drag the image material on the new layer. the layer mask will automatically appear on the material layers. You can use the object tool to adjust the pattern. If the color of the material unfit your theme, you can recolor it. Put the pattern in a new layer folder, then drag the mask to the folder. Select the pattern layer, go to Menu, Layer, New Correction Layer, Gradient Map. Pick the preset, and it will change the color of your pattern. If you download the gradient set from CLIPSTUDIO asset, you can add it by this menu. Add gradient set. You can adjust amount of the color by the arrow icon under the gradient bar. If you want to change the pattern, you can just drag a new image material over the old one, very comfortable. You can apply this color changing technique on every material in your collage art. Tape decoration is like you are placing the tape with patterns on the artwork. You can use both brush and image material to make it. To use the brush as a tape decoration, create a new vector layer. Click on the canvas. Hold Shift key and click again to make a straight line. Select the line with the object tool. In the Tool Property panel, you can change the size of the line. To duplicate the line, you can select Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. To use the seamless pattern as a tape decoration, select the pattern with the object tool. Then, set the tiling direction to only vertical or only horizontal, and it becomes a decoration tape. To cut the tape, right-click on the layer and rasterize. Create a selection with the lasso tool. Invert the selection and press Delete button. And now the tape is torn off. To change the color of the tape, go to Edit, Tonal Correction, and Gradient Map. If the pattern is not fit for making the tape, disable the tile option. Create a new raster layer under the material object, and draw a rectangle with the figure tool, Rectangle. Clip the material layer with the rectangle. Hold Shift key, select both layers, right-click, Convert Layer, and set the type to Image Material Layer. You will get a new image material. Use the Object tool and enable the Tile option. Now you get a custom tape pattern for your collage art. Stamping is also a good idea to give a handcraft feeling to your art, and it's very easy to make. If the stamp pattern is an image material object, rasterize it first. Use the noise spray. Pick the transparent color and paint on the art. Now it looks like an ink stamping, very easy. You can also use the running color spray. To edit color for the ink stamping, you can apply the color by just use the layer color. Making collage art is relaxing and also help getting more inspiration. I hope my tutorial get you some idea for your art. Have a good summer day, have fun with your collage art, and see you in the next tutorial.